Go ahead and get closer to the wall if you want, dude. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Now just let it sag. It ain't gonna come out. So you're pulling down, going back. We still gotta go. You still gotta go a 1/4 inch, dude.
Cut it then?
Why, you can't pull it down more or no?
Yeah.
I don't know what you got. That's it. Right there, man. Start bringing it back. Okay, there you go. Yep, push it up, take it in. I'm on my mark, and I'm gonna go tight my way, right?
Yeah, it's tight your way.
Okay. If you like it, I like it. A little more right there. Wait. A little more if you got it over here. Okay. Yep. Oh, wait. Gosh darn it. Okay, there we go. My weight.
Never measured out 3.
I'm at like 22 and not quite 5/8, but 5/8 would probably be my cut.
Is that center rib?
Yeah, off the wood.
2 and 11, 16.
Yeah, that's where I'm at, but I would cut 5/8, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Oh, this is gonna be a little difficult. Okay, got it, dude.
Okay, don't push, don't push, don't
Nope,
push.
I'm not doing anything. Okay. Got it. Tight my way, we're golden. Easy. All right, this one's gonna get complicated, Greg. I just don't know what I wanna do, where I want my joint, because I gotta have a joint. I might as well do it in a corner. That makes the most sense. So we'll go 39 5/8 and 67 7/16. Steel, there's going to be no way that I will get the steel sealing inside these J channels at the same time because I can't flex it enough, and I would have to cut it short so that it went in one side of the J but not in the other, and then I pushed it up and then I would make it in the center. But what I'm going to do is actually, I test fit all these pieces of J, so I'm going to bring them down now. I'm going to install them around my steel sheet and then put it all up as one. Hopefully that's the goal. Okay. Part 1, and go right underneath, in between the J and the steel.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yeah, backside.
When I put the pieces in, all I should have to do is go up like so, flat.
Tight.
Oh yeah, I hope it is. I gotta get up. Boom, son. Looky. Yeah, there's no way you would get this in without doing it this way.
No, that's
Yeah.
This is how we should do our entire ceiling.
Just do the whole ceiling. Oh, dude, that could not have worked out any better. I hit exactly where I was hoping I would hit. Dang. All right, another one done. That worked out pretty good. All right, this was not a easy one to do. But by doing it all as one piece and sticking it up there, I was able to make it work. So it's just a closet, but Now we've got to get out here into the main bathroom area. It'll be a little bit challenging too because we've got to fit steel in between these pieces of J-channel. And that gets a little tricky, but in here it gets even more tricky because the spaces are getting smaller. So what we'll do is we'll start on this back wall and work our way out. So that way we can slide our pieces in the J-channel and then end over on this end here where the longest pieces are. Come on, baby. Oh, jeez. Now, I'm not going to screw this yet because I'm going to be pushing everything tight to that wall in order to line up all my screw lines. So I marked where these are going to go, which is right here, but I'm not going to screw them until I put the other ones up, and then I can align them to each other because there might be a little, well, that's pretty tight. I don't think I'm going to be able to move it anywhere, but we'll see how it goes. So working in these really small rooms when you're doing ceiling steel and you've got J-channel around the entire perimeter, that's pretty tough because you can't shrink the steel in order to get it in the J-channel. But if you cut it short, then it's going to be gapped on one of the ends. So we're going to get a little tricky. We've left our J-channel loose and we're hoping that we can bend it down enough to, you know, because as you increase the angle of the steel, it's going to get shorter in a sense. And then when you get it in the J, you can take it back up. So we'll see how it goes. We're both going to have to grab a piece. We're going to have to take it in and get it in here. And then once we're up there, we're going to have to kind of like probably one of us hold the sheets to keep them there. And then take this nail right here and this whole thing. We don't even have to take this one. And that's fine because it's just sitting in there. And we can hopefully drop it enough to go back up. But before we get it up tight, we'll try to bring it over. Okay, Greg, I'm going to get mine kind of started. I'm just going to get out of the way a little bit, back up. So you're gonna have to, yeah, stay low, and you're gonna have to get over my rib, okay? Okay, now go ahead and get all your ribs in.
Okay, go ahead.
No, middle.
Oh, I was in.
Okay. All right, now come over back here, come back here. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Okay, you got it for a second?
Yeah. Here, let me I get this guy too.
Okay, let me pull this in. Oh, shoot. Now you can pull it. I just gotta get this nail out of here, dude.
So can we let it down more?
No, because then I can't see my nail. Okay. Okay, there's the J. So now, okay, hold it. Got your sheet? Mm-hmm. Now what we should be able to do is lower it until this guy, which is tight over there on your side, is not coming down. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, can you feel it back there?
Feel what?
The J.
Triceps.
It's just gonna keep getting better. I can start getting mine. There we go. The tighter we get it, the easier it's gonna be.
I don't have any more height.
Okay.
So could you hold it for 2 seconds while I get that little ladder?
Yeah, it ain't going nowhere, bro.
Okay.
We're golden. I told you this was gonna be tricky, but we're gonna get it. I'm 100% sure. Greg, before we finish this, we're also gonna stick that other piece of J up there. This is gonna be tough, Greg. Oh, got it. Okay, move yourself in a better position to get that J channel in, maybe.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah, I think so, but you better hurry. Oh, please hurry. My shoulders are wrecking. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Can I tell you how much I don't like ceilings?
That was a little tough. Whew, buddy.
That was a pain in the that was miserable.
I highly recommend, if possible, to make sure you have multiple people helping you when you do that. That was a lot of work for Greg and I because there's a lot of pieces that had to get pushed and pulled and kind of snuck in there, but we were able to get it done. I'm sweaty now, but It's almost lunchtime, so we got that going for us. So that's gonna go like that. Like so. I don't think I can leave this here.
Yeah, I would take that off for now. And then if we are able to like...
We'll just spread the whole thing apart, get it up there. I'm just keeping some slight pressure towards you. Oh my God, my shoulder just started cramping. All right, now get that last. Okay, now stay low though. Can you come back to this end?
Okay,
I got it. Yep. Just come back here. Or get this J. Get the J.
I don't really have a good hold on the J.
You know, yeah, you just get that. Go as low as we gotta go. There we go. Okay, now let's take it up. Okay, it's tight. What am I tight on?
Can we slide it over now?
Okay, now wait, go over there and get that. Yeah, go ahead and get that J over there first. So push it all the way over. All right, now get your corner up. Okay. All right, so that's battle number 1. So I'm just doing this just to save my shoulders. So kind of bend that down. I'm gonna come in.
This here?
Yep, I'm gonna come in. Okay, and I'm gonna keep coming. I'm not saying that this is gonna work.
So you have to get this up in there. We have to get this guy in. So what if you just took off that lip there?
Wait a second.
Wait, no.
Wait a second.
Okay. Okay, so was that just a lot easier than what we thought it was gonna be?
Yes. There was enough slop in there. Okay. So that's that. That we can tighten up and make work. Now we have to get that J in. All right, man. We just gotta make this somewhat quick before my shoulders go.
And we pull mine too.
You have to. Yeah. I mean, I don't think you'll never get it in there without it. Yep. You know what we should have done? You know what? I got a better idea, my guy. We need to make sure we're back all the way, and we need to screw over here so it can't fall out on us.
It's not a bad idea.
Oh man. Now they won't fall out at least, it'll just fall down. So this needs to come down. Can you pull your end down now that you get it like started or no?
Okay, so I'm starting to turn right here.
Yeah.
I just gotta work it back to...
What about a like a nail head? Mm-hmm. It's really hard to pull it down. Can you bend that over right there? I don't want much. 90 it off. Okay, I just need a little something to grab here.
So we got your lap is what's gonna really kill you there.
We gotta stay down. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's getting close now.
Okay, now we're tight in the corner.
Okay.
You got your screw in there, so I don't think it's going.
I don't have a screw in there no more. There's no screws in this at all. Just keep coming. I'm gonna rotate it while we keep going down. Keep going down.
catching on this rib right here is what's really messing with us. We gotta get it over and down.
Okay, you get that one, I get this one. There. I think it needs to come down more, Greg. Yeah, there you go. Just keep coming. It's fine. I got my elbow. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Damn. Easy on that.
Yeah. Well, pull everything this way.
Pull down the middle if you can.
There. Okay. Hold it. I'll get a screw. Jesus. Oh, we did it.
By far the hardest ceiling. The hardest ceiling we've ever done.
Oh, yes. Okay. I just tried not to think about it. Okay, it's not going anywhere.
I mean, to be honest, it doesn't even look bad the way it sits. I mean, yeah, we'll have to. Dang. That's
tricky. Okay.
You get your black wires poking out on the side.
Oh.
That's all it is.
It's a little bit oblong, isn't it? So why wouldn't these all be the same? It's kind of annoying. Why even try to make it nice, you know? No one's ever gonna even look at it, probably.
You got it?
Yeah.
Pull down. Pull down the floor. Okay.
Good.
Yes.
Okay, where's your stick? Okay, we're going your way.
Yeah, we look pretty good there.
You do?
Yeah.
Why is it so awkward?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Definitely happy to have isotunes in.
Have what?
Isotunes. I noticed all week my ears were ringing, dude.
From what?
Just I think, you know, I don't know.
Listening to your wife.
No.
Not a joke. You don't need to go telling your wife I said that and then her beating me up. Bro code.
Yep. Okay, got it. Yep.
Good?
Yep.
Buddy, we're getting good at this.
So supposedly this piece of stone here weighs about, what did they say, 600 pounds?
I thought they said 600 pounds.
600 pounds. We're still not sure how we're going to get it off this dolly safely. Thank God for the roller. One, two, three. You can do it.
Yeah, we can do it.
Yeah, but I don't know how we get it down.
I guess we do it in steps. Dude, I'm seeing.
Wait, I didn't even put any, I literally put zero effort into it.
Bro, I'm seeing like spots all over the place right now.
I didn't even put any effort into it, so you literally did all of that then. Yeah, I didn't do anything. I just kind of like barely lifted it up.
Yeah.
All right, we need to roll this out and clean the floor though, just so there's no like chunk of anything on it. And then keep the sweatshirt off the top.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I haven't hit legs in over a week, so.
All right, dude. Kind of like your back is going to be Are you sure you're ready for this?
Are you ready for this?
No, I'm not.
Alright.
I've got to, okay, so I've got to get this out, and I'm gonna plan this. I gotta slide this out, drop this, and
Even if it's 2 board, 1 board, don't matter, just as long as we got something to set on.
I'm just trying to think through whether there's a better idea here, man. Also, we haven't cleaned the floor. That's what we're gonna do. It's your turn to shine. You've been waiting so long. Just remember. Okay, you get your mind right,
Okay.
and then,
You ready?
I'm ready. Whenever you think you're ready, when I feel the pressure release, I'm going.
Okay.
Bring it down, man.
No, dolly!
Bring it down. Let's do it. Okay. But you did great, man.
Yeah, it was easy actually.
Yeah. I was like watching you like, I don't have to be in that big of a hurry. Your adrenaline was going.
Well, the problem was, like, as soon as she said down, I started letting it down, and the dollies were there, so like, trying to stop that weight.
Oh, yeah, that probably helped too. Yeah. You be able to push it out yet? Yep. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Yep. There. That's not that bad.
Oh, it's actually nice when someone lives with you.
Oh, now you're going to take all the credit saying you're doing all the work. I see how it is.
I think that's what I'm playing the whole time.
So you grab a piece of wood for this side. Whenever you're ready.
And we get the straps up.
I think, whenever you're ready. Okay. Oh, okay, bud. Yep, we're good. Alright. Woo! Nice. Man, all that work and preparation, Greg, is paid off. Ready? 1, 2. Okay. Take yours out.
Easy.
Ready? Yep. Okay, good. It'll come. Oh, no. 1.
Is there something underneath there that we're hitting, or what?
Yeah, it's probably level concrete. Push it in. 1, 2, 3. Oh. That helped.
Yeah, it did.
Nope.
Still uneven.
Here, do it again. Yeah, it is. It is.
So you want to shim the back to rock it forward a little bit?
Now hopefully I can just shove this.
I'll hit it a couple more times. Oh.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna do that. There. Yeah,
That's it?
yep. There. Just a little something. Okay. 1, 2. Use your back, not your legs, dude. Yep, all back. How close are you to your edge?
I think I can go out a little bit.
What the? Go my way?
Yeah, that's what I need.
I like to have glasses on.
Yeah.
Good timing. Okay, we're 7.5, so we need to go 1/2 inch in total. I need to go a little. 1, 2, 3. All back.
I think I tore a pectoral. That's where I want to be right there.
So should I take more off? Because I'm pretty good.
Yeah.
In fact, I can go out just a hair. 3. right, so what we're doing is we're gonna mount these with this adhesive. So this is the adhesive we're gonna use, and what they tell me is that once it's there, it ain't gonna move. So 7 times thicker than other adhesives, strong permanent bond, great for outdoor kitchens, veneers, and repairs, repositional for 10 minutes. But then it says locks instantly, so I'm a little bit worried about that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get it all applied. There's also a formula on the back to determine how much you need for the weight of the product. And then we're gonna go ahead and secure some lumber, you'll see, to keep it from falling off while we've got it.
10 minutes, huh?
We already got our mark, so we know where we're going.
Jeez.
You on your mark?
Down.
Make sure you're on your marks. Okay, does it want to move?
A little bit.
So here, we'll just do this. Just to keep it from coming back. Okay.
That honestly, like, locked it in pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good stuff.
Surprised.
Come my way a little bit. Okay, definitely. Kick that or something. Kick it. Right there. Wish I had the power caulk gun, dude. Honestly, if you went and got that, it'd probably still save me a ton of time. Okay, don't.
Okay.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
You come my way a little bit?
I'm like right on the line.
Pretty dang close. We're like 30, I mean.
Okay, here's what I want to do. Because I think that the weight alone will keep this
Right, yeah.
here.
We don't have to worry about that.
We just want to make sure, yeah, this all looks good. That actually worked out pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Freaking hey, we are stonemasons, bro.
German American.
We're basically Freemasons. We fight for American freedom. Well, pretty cool. We finally got this all set. I don't know when our buildings became stonemasons or fireplace setting guys, but Greg and I just did our first fireplace. This was about a 700-pound, 650-pound stone, and you guys seen Greg about bust his back, but he did it. And then we got these set, had to cut them down so that they were level. They look pretty good, and I think it will hold a fire, I think. How long has that been open, man? Just the whole time. Well, the big thing is now that we have this all set, we'll let it set up, even though I think it's probably not going to take long. Now we can run all of our versetta stone up this chimney, but we're going to hold off on that. We're going to get back to what we started today doing, which was getting the ceiling done in the kitchen. But before we put our last piece of steel on the ceiling, we have to get our handrail newel posts for the upstairs railing set before we lose access to the I guess the underside where we can do some framing. So didn't know what we were gonna do exactly, so I wanted to just wait till we got the material. Now we have it, and we're gonna go ahead and start working on it.